Welcome back on the trail. This is the hike where I'm crossing Switzerland from the west to the east. I'm now in the canton of Solothurn. So slowly getting there, making some progress. This is the 6th section I'm walking. The fog is trying to come up here. Just a few minutes ago we were still above the fog line, but the fog is slowly coming in, but also the sun is trying to break through. So it's going to be a very beautiful day of hiking. Very easy and beautiful first stretch coming up. In total I'm planning to walk about 4 to 5 hours today. Very beautiful scenes as the fog is coming in from the valley down there. It's now 11:15. I've just been redirected. There must be some work going on the trail. So I've come down here, huge descent. It's a beautiful area and there's nobody on the trail this morning. I'm in the forest. Loads of birds making noises, and I really hope that in the future I will soon be able to camp out here. Unfortunately, for now I don't have the equipment yet. Need to get a tent and everything. Technically it's not allowed to camp in Switzerland for the most part. However, if you camp above the tree line, it is possible, and also if you ask for permission, of course, or on camping ground too. Right now I'm walking in the canton of Solothurn, and this canton is quite special because it's branching out a lot and it's even bordering France to the left. The fog has now finally cleared and it's a very beautiful sunny day. Clouds are supposed to be coming in towards the evening, but I might already reach my destination for today by then. I really love hiking in this region. I'm still walking in the Jura Mountains. Before I was complaining that it's always up and down, up and down. For now we're good, and since it's a weekday as well, there are not many other people around at all. Only met one other couple. Just reached another stunning viewpoint. That's the beauty about hiking on a crest. We see all the way down here in the Switzerland Middlelands. There are still some beautiful canola oil fields over there. And the river is also just back there. Just wanted to show you this impressive part of the trail. It follows this huge rock wall. There are even people climbing up this wall right here. I do sometimes when I'm hiking listen to music or audiobooks, but that's more on paved roads and streets. Whenever I'm out in the forest like I am now, I actually prefer to just listen to my surroundings. And of course I like to listen to the birds and the wind and everything else. But one thing I nearly enjoy the most is listening to my own footsteps and the ground underneath it. I try to enjoy that sound as much as I can. And the ground right here is super nice. There are a few rocks on the path, but super comfortable and soft to walk. I think I made a good decision following the smaller path along the crest. The main trail is down there in the valley and it looks a bit boring. It's a straight paved road, so it might have taken me a bit longer but it was definitely worth to take this detour. Anyway, now I can't avoid this path anymore. Gonna join it here from the side and then follow it for about 2 more hours. Needed a short break. It's a spectacular path, but it's going up, up, up. The trail follows this huge rock wall, and I came from all the way down there. Just came across a huge troop of Swiss Army soldiers. It was pretty scary. They were all with their weapons, walkie-talkies, being very important and doing an exercise up here in the mountains, I think. Seriously didn't expect them. There was just somebody saying bonjour from around the corner, and then I looked around and there they were, like 30 men geared up and everything. Glad I don't have to join them because they are going uphill and I'm going downhill now. Going down to the village, now I just have to be careful to not stumble down this path here. There are many small rocks on the ground. And there we go, I've reached my destination for today. I've done pretty much 15 to 16 kilometers today. Now in a place called Balztal, so in the German-speaking part of Switzerland. As I said, slowly getting there to the middle of the country. It's been a lot of fun. The highlight definitely has been meeting this Swiss Army troop. What a surprise this was. Apart from that, I thank you very much for watching and I'll see you in the next video.